This is a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta, and we are replacing the outside mirror. First thing we have to do is to remove the inside door panel. And to do that, we have one fastener down here on the bottom right there. The screw on the bottom of the door is a T20. There it is, all off. Next thing we need to do is to remove the window switch right here. And underneath there, you will see a connector. Okay, there's the connector, and the switch is all off. Next thing we have to do is to take this cover off the door right here. It's hard to get underneath there. There we go, we got one corner up. And there's the cover. Now underneath that cover, way over here, there is one T30 bolt. And we have to remove that now. Next we need to remove this cover that's below the pole right here. It's very hard to see. There's the little cover. Now underneath that cover is a T30 headed bolt. And we got to remove that now. Boy, that's really tucked down in there. There it is. Right in the door pull area is another T30 headed bolt right in here. And we gotta remove that. That's really tucked in there. There it is. So you got one down on the bottom, one here, one underneath here, and one over here in the corner that you have to get. Now there's no bolts holding it on now, so shouldn't be anything securing the door panel. We have one electrical switch right up here that we're going to disconnect. This little blue connector right here was on the door lock switch. and I just pushed down on the little lock right there and it came right off. This is the door pull cable. We'll just remove that. And we can take our door panel, move that out of the way. Next we have to remove this sail panel right here. Once we get it out that far, we want to lift up on it, straight up. And there it is, all off. Next thing we have to do is to remove this electrical connector that goes to the mirror. There's these little locks on the side. You can see them right there on both sides. You squeeze in like that, pull up. That releases that from the connector. Next we have to remove this wire right here from the door. Bolt that holds the mirror on. So we're going to remove that now. It actually looks like a Volkswagen star wrench to me. But the T40 does work on it. Now there's nothing holding the mirror on, so it should come right off. And then we feed our electrical connector out. And that's it. Mirror's all out. Now to replace our mirror, all we have to do is put our connector back in. And this goes underneath the seal. Okay, the mirror is all back together. Alright, now we can put our bolt back in the mirror. All tight. Next we have to snap this piece back in place and then put our electrical connector back. Next we're going to put this sail piece on. We took this plastic piece that was on here off and then put it back in the hole, and we'll line up this piece on the bottom. Alright, now we can put our door panel back on. We'll connect the door pull. That's on. And we got to connect our blue connector and then feed this one right here. That's right there for the switch, the door switch. Alright, all our connectors are back. Alright, wires back in, that blue wire's back, door pull is all connected. Here is the T40 screw that goes into the door pull right here. This one is really hidden, it's hard to see. Right here. Next, we need to put another T40 screw back here. And once we get that bolt in, we have to replace our cover. There we go. Here's our cover. You can see there's two little tabs right there, and there's holes in the door. So you'll line up those first, and then the cover's all in. Next we have to put this T40 way up here in the corner. Next we have to put this cover back in position. All back. The thing we got to do is to put our window switch back in. Connect it to the switch. This one's a little tricky. There it is. All back together. Okay, we put the last screw in, which is on the bottom right down there. That's it. The job is all done. So that's all it takes to replacing an outside mirror on your Volkswagen Jetta.